Megatron. It's our main protagonist of the Beast Wars series. So, eto siya, si Megatron, in his beast mode. Megatron, like the other Predacons, are actually descendants of the Decepticons. However, it did not state if he is actually a direct descendant of Megatron. Based sa napanood ko, which is War for Cybertron, it seems like kinuha lang niya yung name na Megatron dahil idol niya ang original Decepticon leader na si Megatron. There are actually theories that it's possible that Megatron, the Predacon, is actually a direct descendant of Starscream rather than Megatron himself. And somewhat, I would actually also lean towards that theory dahil based sa reaction niya sa series, it seems like he is more of like a Starscream-like attitude. Mas may authority ang original Decepticon na si Megatron. So yun nga, he is the captain of the ship Darkseid. And in the whole Beast Wars series, he has actually 3 forms. Ang first form niya is this one, ang kanyang dinosaur form, which is a T-Rex. Nagtataka ako bakit nung time na nag-travel sila sa Earth, wala namang dinosaurs actually that time. Ang nangyari is, yung scanner, in-scan niya yung mga fossil remains ng dinosaurs. So this is the first form. Purely dinosaur. Kapag ka beast form, walang bahid ng pagiging mechanical niya. Ang second form is actually a Transmetal 1 form. And it gave him the ability to hover in mid-air. So yun, eto sa Transmetal 2, etong hips niya, naging itong hovering machine to make him float in the air. And his third form is actually a dragon form, and that took place when Megatron fused his spark with the original G1 Megatron. Nung nag-fuse siya ng ganyan, nalaglag siya sa lake ng lava. After niya mag-rise doon sa lava na yon, ang form na nag-take over sa kanya is actually a dragon. Ang dragon form ni Megatron is actually similar to Gigatron from another Transformer series, which has 7 modes, I think. And meron siya actually 4th form which took place in the Beast Machines series.